I got my first client as a social media manager without experience noong May 2023 ng $18 per hour. Here are the things na ginawa ko even without experience. So, nung unang client ko, even though wala akong experience, I know how Notion works kasi yun talaga yung inaral ko. Alam ko din yung mga monthly content calendar, kaso nga lang hindi ko siya alam kung paano siya gagawin. Pero yung task ko nung first job ko as an SMM is I am doing everything except sa content ideas and market research. Hindi ko pa nga alam na may market research nun before. Kaya ang ginagawa ko before is kapag si client nagbigay na ng content idea, meron na siyang footage. And ang ginagawa ko dun, in-edit ko lang, pinopost ko lang, nag-engage lang ako, tapos nag-i-story lang ako. Ako na yung mismong nag-create ng story, sa akin na din mismo yung idea ng story. Honestly, tungtuwa si client nun, even though I am only using Canva templates. Kasi $18 per hour ako nun, pero I don't know everything. Even editing ha. Ang editing video, Canva templates din ako nun. I am not using CapCut. Si client lang din ang nag-introduce sa akin nun. So literally, I don't have experience talaga or I don't have enough knowledge nung una kong job. Luckily, it is a social media marketing din kasi na ako yung maghahanap ng client sa social media agency niya. And I did try maghanap sa Etsy. Yung mga Etsy shops doon, tinitingnan ko kung meron silang Instagram and titingnan ko if kailangan nila ng social media. And it happens na naka-close deal ako ng 2 client using that. And actually, that taught me talaga na ganun pala nagwo-work si social media management. Tapos, ako din yung naggawa ng packages niya. So, sabi ko, $18 per hour ako dito. Tuwan-tuwa na ako, pero hindi pala siya dapat ganon. Dapat pala siya ay by package. Tapos, meron din siyang onboarding. Doon ko nalaman yung onboarding. Doon ko din nalaman yung mga welcome packet, intake form, invoice. Like, everything. It's just that I am so lucky because it is a social media marketing agency. And doon ko nalaman how to really properly onboard client and how social media works. Kaya, all of my learnings right now is from that first client. That's why I am so thankful. It's just that nag-close down na yung business niya, kaya hindi ko na siya client right now. I'm glad because if wala yung first client na yun, I wouldn't be here right now handling multiple clients kasi the process that I am using right now is the process that I learned from her, from my first client. Kaya if you guys don't have experience, huwag kayong matakot because all of the process, all of the things that I know about social media, I am sharing it on my YouTube. Kaya go there. Kasi I was once like you, kaya all of the things that I know, I am sharing it on my YouTube or my free resources.